There's no magic or secrets. It's pretty simple. Don't really focus too much on quality. Focus on your story, because it wasn't that long ago that my videos looked like this. I never knew a laptop can sound so good. Over this, I don't know if you guys can even understand how great this 15-inch, the 2016 MacBook Pro, how good it sounds. So I thought I would give you guys some helpful tips for anyone who is starting YouTube or will start YouTube sometime in the near future. These are some of the things that I wish I knew 2 years ago when I started YouTube. And well, yeah, it took me a little over 2 years to figure this out. And it finds out it's not even that hard. YouTube isn't some kind of secret magic or some sort of mathematical equation. It's pretty cut and clear, and here are my tips. The first thing that's incredibly important about YouTube is picking a niche and sticking with it. Now trust me, I wish we lived in a world where we can make videos about anything and be successful. Unfortunately, that is super hard and almost impossible. You have to pick a specific topic on what your videos are going to be about. If makeup is your thing, do videos on makeup. If cars are your thing, do videos on cars. If makeup and cars is your thing, you gotta pick one, because you can't really do videos on both. That's just not gonna happen. It's sort of like watching your favorite TV show. Why is that show your favorite? Is it the genre? Is it the characters? Is it the storyline? Is it all that? Now imagine you're watching it, you're getting into the characters, you're getting into the genre, you're getting into the storyline, right? And then the very next episode is completely different. Different characters, different storyline, different genre. It's gonna throw you for a bit of a twist. It's the same thing with YouTube. Whenever you make a certain niche, you're telling people, hey guys, these are the types of videos that I make, and these are the types of videos that I will continue to make. So when people subscribe, they already know what they're getting themselves into. The only exception to this, and there's literally only one exception, is if you're starting a vlog channel. Now these channels are incredibly hard to grow because the person doesn't know what they're subscribing to. Are you gonna go bungee jumping in your next video? Or are you gonna be doing UFC in your next video? Or are you gonna be potting plants in the next video? There's just so many different things that a vlog channel is about that people don't really know what they're subscribing to, and therefore they're most likely not going to subscribe. Or if they do subscribe, they may not watch your next video because they're not interested in that. The second tip I can give you guys is you need to invest money. And that's just the truth. The more money you invest and the more time you invest, the faster you will grow, counting the fact that you're actually putting in work, obviously. For example, there's a new iPhone coming out, the iPhone 11. I'm not too excited about it, and if I wasn't a tech YouTuber, I probably wouldn't get it. But since I know many people are excited, it is pretty much my job as a tech YouTuber, as a tech reviewer, to purchase the iPhone to review. Now trust me, I would love to keep $1,200 all to myself, just as much as the next guy. But I'm buying it because I know I will give my honest opinion about it, which will help other people, which will gain more potential subscribers, more potential views, and then more return on investment later on down the road. Same thing with the Note 10. That's coming out in a few weeks. Do I need it? No, I have 3 phones. But I know that many people are waiting for that phone, and I know many people want to see reviews of the phone. So again, as a tech YouTuber, as a tech reviewer, it's my job to go out, purchase the phone, and review it. This goes for any type of niche. If you make videos on clothing, right? You need to get new clothes to review, or I don't know, what do people do with clothes? I don't know. But there's a lot of channels out there that show clothes off. I know nothing about that, but I don't think they review the same articles of clothing in their closet many videos, right? They always go out, purchase new clothes, and do reviews on it, I guess. Same thing with even barbecue equipment. You can't review the same barbecue equipment, right? You know, go out, spend money, do reviews on new things, gain more potential subscribers, more potential views, and again, more return on investment. The best part is once you're done reviewing what you got, you can just simply sell it. There you go. The third tip is you gotta stay consistent. You have to. Again, I'm gonna go back to the favorite TV show example. So let's say, you know, most TV shows nowadays, they release new episodes like once a week, usually on like Saturdays or Sundays or even Wednesdays, I think. Long story short, they do it about once a week. So you know you're expecting a new episode every Sunday, right? So you're waiting for it. Now imagine one week they release it on a Sunday, the next week they release it on Wednesday, then they wait 2 weeks, then they release it on a Friday, then they wait even a week later, they release 3 episodes that week, a week after that they release 1 episode. It's gonna be very inconsistent and the user doesn't know what to expect. On YouTube, you have to remain consistent. Is it hard sometimes? Of course, but that's where your creativity kicks in. For new channels, I recommend at least 2 videos a week, 3 being the best. When I subscribe to someone, I always look at their profile. I always look at their upload activity. Are they uploading once a month or once a week or 3 times a week? And trust me, many others do the same exact thing. They always look and see how often are they uploading, because I don't want to subscribe to someone just because they have one good video. I want to subscribe to someone that I know is going to be releasing good videos every week. When people subscribe to you, you want to show them that you're serious about what you're doing. Because if you're not serious, or at least if they don't see that you're serious, they're not going to subscribe. And if they do subscribe, they'll probably forget about you. So yeah, you may have a high subscriber count, but a very, very low view count and very low engagement rate. Which brings me to tip number 4, engagement. Now you should already be doing this if you are. If you're not, do it. When someone comments on your video, comment back. If they say you did a good job on the video, reply to them, say thank you. Maybe ask them what they liked about the video, what they could change, if there is anything to change. Be interactive. You want to interact with your audience. Another good way of doing this is actually doing a question inside of a video. So for example, what do you guys think about this color iPhone? Let me know in the comment section down below. Doing something that small will give people a reason to leave a comment. When your interaction on YouTube is very good or very high, it will give YouTube a more of a reason to push your video out to more people, which will bring back more potential subscribers and more potential views. Now you might be asking yourself, Mark, why is that? How does that even matter? Well, when you have comments in your videos, that more than likely means someone stayed longer during that video, which increases your runtime. And your runtime or view time, whatever you want to call it, is a very good analytical thing for YouTube. Same thing with likes and subscribes from a particular video. If YouTube is seeing that your video is getting a lot of likes, a lot of comments, and a lot of people are subscribing from it, that gives them more of a reason to continue pushing that video out. So don't be afraid of telling your viewers to comment and subscribe and like the video, which if you haven't by now, do it. So to sum things up, to be even more successful on YouTube, it's pretty much a mix of everything I said. So you gotta pick a niche, you gotta stay consistent, you gotta invest time or money or even both if you can. And try to get your engagement rate up. Comment back on whatever people comment to you. Ask them questions. Ask them what they could fix on the video. Just try to interact, try to learn something from them while they're learning from you. So guys, that is pretty much it. This was Mark from Mark's Tech. If you liked the video, click the like button. If you're new here, consider subscribing and comment down below what your favorite part about this video was. Adios.